night, oh gentle Savior. Hear my humble cry. While on others thou art calling. Pass, please don't pass me by. My Savior, my Savior. I thank you for the loves in my life. My wife is lovely and a true delight to anyone who meets her. And my beautiful daughter Cherise takes after her. She's so sweet and bright. My Lord, you blessed me with this job as a junior vice president. You let me build my family into the nicest house that I could ever imagine. And every day with these ladies you put in my life, I let them know that they are loved I let them know that they are cherished, cherished. I thought this life would protect us, Father. Go to church, say my prayers, get good grades, go to college, wear a nice suit, be a good blood, and love my wife, raise our daughter. And it's still not enough, still not enough, still not enough. In the sea of milk that is our neighborhood, I've been stopped and frisked for being black and driving, just for driving. And I can bear it, you help me bear it. But there are sometimes my little girl was sent home from school today. Not because she talked back, she never misbehaved. They didn't like the braids in my baby's hair. Tell me, how am I supposed to live with that? How am I supposed to live with that? How am I supposed to live with that? Live with that, live with that, live with that, live with that. How am I supposed to live with that? Cyrus wants to do well. Oh Lord, for high school, help me to find her a better place. Father, help